So now today we're going to learn how to find the area of a triangle, a trapezoid, and a parallelogram. In order for you to find the areas, you got to know the formulas. So I'm going to tell you the three formulas to start. Okay? Our first formula is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. Okay? The formula for the area of a parallelogram is the base. Now this could be the base or this could be the base times the height. Okay? This is not the height, this is the height. Okay? The second formula we're going to need to know is of a trapezoid. This is a trapezoid. The formula for a trapezoid is the area equals the height times base 1 plus base 2 over 2. When you multiply the height times base 1 plus base 2 over 2, it'll give you the area of the trapezoid. The last thing we're going to have to find the area of today is a triangle. Okay? If we've got this triangle, the formula for the area of it is the area equals base times height divided by 2. So it's very similar to the parallelogram other than you divide by 2. This is the base, this is the height. You multiply them together and you divide by 2 to find the area of a triangle. Now Kareem, what is this? It's a parallelogram. So our area is going to equal the base, which is what? 11 times the height, which is 6. So our area equals 66. Now, the second example is a triangle. The formula for the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Caroline, what's the base here?
12.
Good. So 12 times the height, which is 17. What's 12 times 17?
204.
That equals 204. Now we have to divide by 2. And our area is 102 centimeters of our triangle right here. Base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2. And that equals 102 centimeters for a triangle. Okay, our last example is a trapezoid. Our formula for a trapezoid is area equals the height, which is 5, times base 1 plus base 2, which is 5 plus 9 is 14, divided by 2. So that's 5 times, what's 14 divided by 2? 5 times 7 is 35 inches. So the area, which is the inside of your figure, is 35 square inches. Now here we have an obtuse triangle, so they had to extend it out to create a 90-degree angle. So the area of this triangle is the base, which is 4.6, times the height, which is 3.2, divided by 2. Y'all tell me what 4.6 times 3.2 is.
14.72.
14.72, and divide that by 2, and you get what?
7.36.
7.36. So the area of this circle here is 7.36 inches. So now on this example, they tell us we have a triangle, and the formula for a triangle is the area equals the base times the height divided by 2. So it tells us the base is 9 and the height is 8. What's 9 times 8? So you take 72 and divide by 2 and you get 36. That's your area. Now, when we did 9 times 8, you also do centimeters times centimeters. What's centimeters times centimeters? Centimeters squared. So your answer is going to be centimeters squared. Anytime you deal with area, it's something squared. Now on this one we have a parallelogram. The formula for a parallelogram is the height times the base. The height is 8. The base is 7.25. When you multiply those two together, what do you get?
58.
58. 58 what? Feet squared. So the area of this parallelogram is 58 feet squared. Here we've got a triangle, Our base is 15 and our height is 4. So I've got base times height divided by 2. 15 times 4 is 60. Divided by 2 equals 30. And that's my area. Inches what?
Square.
Inches squared. 30 inches squared is your area on this figure. So on this figure we have a parallelogram. The area is the base times the height. So I've got 12 centimeters times 5 centimeters. 12 times 5 is 60, and centimeter times centimeter is centimeter squared. So the area of the parallelogram is 60 centimeters squared.
Today we learned the area of trapezoids, triangles, and parallelograms.